For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you considering buying a new GoPro camera to capture your outdoor adventures? But here's what surprised me: the latest model, the GoPro Hero11 Black Mini, is not just an upgrade but also a game changer in its own right. Therefore, I'll be sharing my honest review and thoughts on this tiny powerhouse that packs a punch. With so many features and options available, it can get overwhelming to choose the perfect camera for your needs. But don't worry, I've got you covered with this in-depth look at the GoPro Hero11 Black Mini. As someone who's used various GoPro cameras before, I was blown away by how much technology has advanced in recent years. The new Mini model boasts an impressive 12-megapixel sensor and can shoot video at up to 4K resolution at a whopping 120 frames per second. But what really caught my attention was its durability. With an IP69K rating, this camera is designed to withstand even the toughest environments. There's one thing I want to ask. Have you ever been frustrated with your current action camera not being able to capture footage in low light? Therefore, let me tell you that the GoPro Hero11 Black Mini comes equipped with a new HyperSmooth 5.0 stabilization system, which can handle even the most challenging lighting conditions. But what about image quality? Does it live up to its predecessor's standards? I was surprised by how much better the images turned out, especially when compared to previous models. The enhanced color accuracy and dynamic range make for some truly stunning shots that will leave you speechless. Now, let me walk you through the camera's design and features in more detail. At first glance, it may seem like just another tiny GoPro model, but trust me, there's so much more to it than meets the eye. One of my favorite features is its versatility. With multiple mounting options available, you can easily attach it to your bike helmet, surfboard, or even use it as a body cam. However, one area I'd like to see some improvement in is battery life. While it's not a deal-breaker by any means, I found that the camera could run out of juice rather quickly if used extensively without proper charging. Therefore, make sure you have an extra power source handy at all times. In terms of connectivity and sharing your captured moments with others, the GoPro Hero11 Black Mini doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities, allowing for seamless streaming and transfer of files to your smartphone or tablet. But that's not all. It also supports cloud connectivity via the GoPro app, which makes it easy to access and manage your content from anywhere. But what about storage? How much space does this tiny camera occupy in your backpack or on your desk? Therefore, rest assured that the GoPro Hero11 Black Mini is an ultra-portable device weighing only 42 grams, making it perfect for travel or daily use. You can even attach it to your keychain if needed. Now, let's talk about image stabilization and how it affects overall video quality. HyperSmooth 5.0 is a game changer in this regard, allowing you to capture silky smooth footage with minimal shake or blur, especially when compared to previous models. One minor issue I encountered was that the camera can be quite sensitive to temperature changes. Therefore, ensure you keep it away from extreme heat sources and avoid using it during harsh weather conditions. On the other hand, its robust build quality makes it perfect for use in wet environments or underwater, a key feature for any GoPro enthusiast. In conclusion, I highly recommend considering the GoPro Hero11 Black Mini as your next camera upgrade. Its compact design, impressive image stabilization, and advanced features make it an absolute powerhouse in the action camera market. For the best price, click the link in the description to grab yours today.